What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Danii Dior, and I'm back with more. I have a photo shoot to get ready for. Yeah, right now I'm going to go wash my hair because I'm busy. Y'all, this all I'm gonna show y'all until my actual birthday because I can't be giving up the Krabby Patty secret formula. But yeah, here's my bundle. And it's time to get this hair washed. Amen. Let's go. False disclaimer, I'm not one of those YouTubers who sets the phone up and then wears like a t-shirt and then records them washing their hair. Y'all are gonna see me when I get out. So as y'all can foresee, I washed my hair. This is just me sectioning it off to blow dry it because anybody with natural hair in their right mind never just does it all at once, right? So I'm just taking the time to detangle it. But here is some heat protectant, and y'all, please, for the sweet mother of pearl, use heat protectant because I feel like I usually don't blow dry my hair often, but when I do, I usually do this and then the tension method, as y'all can see, which is why I don't have heat damage, even though I might, you know, get straight styles from time to time because I make sure to protect my hair. You know, how do you expect to have length retention and you fry your hair every time you blow dry it? That's why your hair is the same length for the past 10 years. But yeah, anyways, this is just me continuing with the tension method before I go in with a vent brush or a Denman brush, whatever you want to call it, and further detangle my hair. But before anything, I want to make sure that it's stretched to minimize breakage. As you can see here, not a lot of shedding going on, just me going from ends to roots in a nicely fashion as I blow dry. Next, after I finish blow drying, I'm taking Mielle. I really didn't even want to promote them for real because they had me messed up, but nonetheless, I'm putting some hair growth oil / just regular oil to keep my scalp moisturized, keep my hair moisturized, and then I'm going in with this hair grease to coat my hair strands because I usually braid my hair down damp or wet, but I realize this method is best for length retention because wet hair tends to snag on each other. But yeah, it's easier to braid down as well with the hair being stretched. But then when I get to the very end, I like to twist my ends to help with less breakage as well, as you can see here.
Doing the video for your
hair, yeah.
I feel good.
Yeah, I know, boo. Keep it moisturized.
See, like that, you look like Harriet Tubman.
I used to sound like Frederick Douglass.
Not Frederick Douglass.
Also, for this style I'm attempting, you do not need to know how to cornrow. You can either flat twist or mold your hair with like gel and stuff, but this is just the easier way for me to do it because I plan to put another wig on after this, so it's just nice to have that braid down. And y'all, don't talk about my braids because if you do, you anti-black, okay? I'm not gonna do 100 small braids in my head, and I don't plan to have wigs on the whole month, right? So this is just something quick. My hair is still stretched, it can breathe, and my scalp is accessible to where I can oil it every other day if need be. But yes, this is me twisting my ends and showing y'all my voluptuous head. But this is the braid down, not super tight, but easy to breathe. So let's keep going. Now you're going to take your edge control or gel of your choice to just brush your edges back and out the way. Because when all is said and done and you start gluing the tracks down, you want to make sure that all of your natural hair is completely out the way. And this was just the easiest way for me to do it. But you can, of course, like I said, use gel like Eco or any edge control of your choice. So for this 27 piece, I'm using 1 pack of hair, but luckily it came with instructions. So even if you've never done this before, they have, you know, a simple guide to help you follow along. So this came with the shower cap, the stocking cap, and then the weave and the closure. So this is just me putting on all the caps, making sure that all of my hair is tucked in. And in terms of like how I did my braid, I just flipped it up. And now I'm just taking the tracks and measuring them around my head. But luckily enough, they all fit because I know my head's kind of big. And I just kept, you know, positioning the tracks to see. But as you can see here, I was a little confused. I'm like, why is it so short? But it gets better. So trust the process. So the process is pretty self-explanatory, but you're just going to repeat the same steps for all the tracks. So this is just me taking another track out the pack and just measuring it around my head after I put the glue on, and then pressing down as I go because I wanted to make sure the tracks were as close together as possible so that there weren't any gaps or spaces when I took it off and reapplied it. So yeah, this is just me going through and pressing everything down. And I didn't use a blow dryer to dry it because I feel like the glue dries well enough on its own. And in the event that I misplaced a track, I wanted to be able to lift it up quickly without, you know, having it completely dried with a blow dryer. So sorry y'all, my camera died. But yeah, I just put the closure on as the last piece, and the wig slid off right and easy because of the shower cap. If the shower cap wasn't there, then it just would have been a regular Quickweave, but I wanted to make sure I was able to take this off in time for my actual birthday, so the shower cap was necessary. But here you can see my braid just pinned up, and then me reapplying another wig cap before I put the wig on, just to make sure my hair is nice and flat. And yeah, just snap that bad boy in, and we're done. Now that everything's said and done, I'm just taking this mini flat iron to just, you know, add some body to the wig. It already came pre-cut, but I feel like just adding some couple curls in there, just spruce it up a little bit. But this isn't mandatory, as y'all can see the wig came, or the Quickweave came cut and ready. But this is just me, you know, adding my own touch to it. So curl as you please. So this is the finished product. Y'all saw me slaving last night to try to get everything together, but this is how it came out. It's very 27, very PC. And now we're on the way to the photo shoot. We are 38 minutes away. That was a quick drive, babe. Was it quick for you? Sorry. But yeah, so we're on the way to the photo shoot now. I have on my outfit. I'm not gonna showcase that yet. It's my birthday, but I forgot one of the pieces for my outfit. So yeah, Brownie's gonna have to go get that after he drops me off. But overall, I'm very, very, very happy with the outcome. Ideally, I did want it to be a little bit longer, but I feel like this cut is cute too. You know, it's giving the girls. Let's give it back.
Let's give it. 90s being long.
Yeah, 90s being long, but yeah. So that's what I was going for. 90s type, fine, whatever. But I just feel like 21 is such a pivotal age. It's such a pivotal age, and I really wanted to do something different than, oh, let me throw on a wig or let me do this, blah, blah, blah. So I would say overall, aside from me like braiding down my hair, this took about like an hour and 15, maybe hour and 20, me just like gluing the tracks down and trying to place everything correctly. But because I put the shower cap under it, this isn't like stuck to my head. It's like basically a wig that I can take on and off, but I'm probably not going to because but yeah, and it's human hair, so if I wanted to curl it or straighten it or do whatever to it, I can do that. And it only cost me $10, so that'd be on the budget. But I will see you guys next week, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. They said bye.